Let's take a sneak peek of the Habitats and Homes theme from Experience Curriculum. Prepare for a big month of learning and discovery. See what's in the box, how we're going to use it, and get inspired for a busy month of learning ahead. Let's take a look at the preschool, toddler, and baby kits. In this theme, children will review the alphabet and explore the many places people and animals call home. From apartments to anthills, children will discover many cozy places that are full of life. They will learn how to be helpers and contribute to a community by welcoming guests, being good hosts, and cleaning up. Here you can see the theme web for the month, including the 4 weekly themes and 20 daily topics. Our themes provide a well-rounded and inclusive study around each topic. Display this poster for the children and families to reference. Through playful learning and games, the following basic concepts will be introduced. Numbers 19 and 20, the character trait helpful, the OP word family, and the sight words my, make, for. This will be a review month for the alphabet, colors, and shapes. 4 preschool teacher guides organize your lessons for each week. Our teacher guides are beautiful and user-friendly. They are printed in full color and packed with information and pictures to guide you through each lesson. Every day, participate in Circle Time, a community challenge, creative art, math, literacy, story time, and music and movement. Your preschool box includes 2 original storybooks, Goldilocks and the Forest Friends book, Mouse's Missing Mystery. We also provide a suggested book list so you can gather additional theme-related storybooks to enjoy all month long. All the materials you need for circle time and classroom displays will be included in your box. This month's preschool album contains pop-inspired children's music. Our preschool music albums are exclusively streaming and are available for free on YouTube and member resources. You can also find our streaming music on Spotify, Amazon, and Apple Music. CDs will no longer be included in your box. Visit member resources or a blog to bookmark your playlist now and enjoy music and movement activities every day. Take a look at just a few of the art, math, literacy, social, emotional, and sensory activities planned for this month. There are lots more in the box.
Home is where your heart is. Our hearts will always be together forever in love eternally. No matter where you go, I want you to know you will never be far from me, because you see, home is where your heart is. Our hearts will always be together forever in love eternally. No matter where you go, I want you to know you will never be far from me, because you see, home is where your heart is. Our hearts will always be together forever in love eternal.
Set up these fun STEAM stations for hands-on learning. Look for 20 new STEAM stations each month.
Together forever in love eternally.
Toddlers grow and thrive with hands-on play and discovery. Let's take a look at what's coming up for toddlers this month. Basic concept for toddlers this month include number 10, tree yoga pose, the character trait helpful, and 8 sign language words. This will be a review month for letters, colors, and shapes. Here is an example of the group time display board for toddlers. This month's finger play poster features the Add a Mouse rhyme. There are 4 toddler teacher guides, 1 for each week. These 4 storybooks are included: Goldilocks, which is a classic fairy tale. Mouse's Missing Mystery is a Forest Friends book that teaches children about being helpful. There Was an Old Woman rhyming board book is included for week 3, and Home, a Follow the Path photo-based book that introduces concepts of print and new vocabulary for your toddlers, is for week 4. Toddlers will love moving and singing to the Habitats and Homes album and listening to the audio stories. The Toddler album is streaming and available for free on YouTube and member resources. You can also stream it on Spotify, Amazon, and Apple Music. Visit member resources or our blog to bookmark your playlist now and enjoy music and movement activities every day. CDs will no longer be included in your box. Toddlers will create daily art projects. Here is a preview of the activities and resources provided in the Habitats and Homes toddler theme.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? All right, here we go. Let's sing. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? I think you've really got it now. Let's sing it one more time. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y.
Daily activities are home themed for babies too, adding interest, new sounds, and experiences to their daily routines. The Experience Baby Infant curriculum supports relationship based play and discovery all month long. Enjoy learning with Experience Curriculum. Don't have your curriculum yet? It's not too late. Order now at experiencecurriculum.com.